Hi there, I'm Sunang from Englishman and today it is total immersion. ඔබ මුළුමනින්ම ඉංග්‍රීසි භාෂාවේ ගිලෙන්නයි හදන්නේ කතන්දරයකට ගිහින්. හොඳයි අපි එහෙම නම් කතන්දරේට. ඒ කතන්දරේ තමයි The Father and His Two Daughters. මේකෙදි මම සිංහලෙන් කතා කරන්න බලාපොරොත්තු වෙන්නේ නැහැ. මුළුමනින්ම ඉංග්‍රීසියෙන් යන්නේ. හොඳයි. It's from Aesop's fables and the story is The Father and His Two Daughters. Father, daughter, not son, father and his two daughters. A man had two daughters, the one married to a gardener and the other to a tile maker. One guy had two daughters. So one daughter, she has been married to a gardener. Gardener is a planter in a way that what he is doing is generally he plants vegetables, grow vegetables, fruits, things like that. You know what gardener is? Gardener. And the other to a tile maker. The other one is a guy making tiles. You know what tiles are? Tiles, roof tiles, not wall tiles, roof tiles, tile maker. This book has been written in first 1993, first publishing, yeah. And yeah. After a time, he went to the daughter who had married the gardener. One day he went to visited his daughter married to the gardener, as I have mentioned earlier. The gardener, the patola guy, Vatakolu guy, yeah. So gardener. Yeah. Then what happens? After a time, he went to the daughter who had married the gardener. He went to the place where the gardener was. The daughter married to that particular gardener. And then I inquired how she was. Oh, how are you, my daughter? How are you, my daughter? Inquired. That is inquiring. Inquiring is that he wants to learn about her things and how all things went with her. How the things are going. That is the original question, yeah. And how all things went with her. She said, the lady said, daughter said, all things are prospering with me. All things are prospering with me. Prospering is really good in a way. That is, favorable. That is, we would say prosperous new year. And prosperous new year. You know what? Prosperous, not prosperous. Prosperous new year. Prosperous is actually really good, fascinating, promising. Things like that. Prosperous. All things are prospering with me. Everything is good for me. And I have only one wish. I have only one wish. One wish, I wish. I wish mean if I want to be somebody, say, if I want to be an engineer, say a school-going guy, he would say, I want to be an engineer. That is his wish. I want to be an engineer. That is his wish. I want to be an artist. When you do a sort of a myself, you would say, my hope is, my wish is, my ambition is to be an engineer, you would say. That is his wish. Now she has a wish. What is the wish? I have only one wish, that there may be heavy fall of rain. My wish is, I need more heavy rain. Yeah. That there may be heavy fall of rain. Heavy fall of rain. Fall is coming down. Waterfall. In a waterfall, water comes down. Falling down. London Bridge is falling down. Yeah. She said, all things are prospering with me and I have only one wish, that there may be heavy fall of rain, in order that the plants may be well watered. In order that the plants may be well watered. So if it happens so, plants would be well watered. That is more water for plants. I mean enough water for plants. Then I would be happy because plants grow when they receive water. That is the thing. Then what happens is that this daughter needs water, more and more water from rain. Why? She has been married to a planter, and planter is planting things, and the plants need water. That is the thing. Not long after some time, he went to the daughter who had married the tile maker. He went to the daughter who had made tile maker. Ah. And likewise means like that he inquired about how things were going with her, and in the similar manner, he likewise inquired of her, how she fared, what's happening there. He asked the daughter, how she fared. She replied, now this is her answer, I want for nothing. I want for nothing. I have everything. I want for nothing. I want for nothing. I have everything. I want for nothing. And I have only one wish. Just like that daughter. She's, I think, elder daughter now. This one is younger daughter. Younger daughter also has a wish. Oh, wish is, I like if this happens, yeah. That the dry weather may continue. Her wish is dry weather may continue. Oh, I need dry weather, not rainy things. I need dry weather. That the dry weather may continue and sunshine hot and bright. She needs sunshine. Now sun is shining here. Sunshine hot and bright. Sunshine hot and bright. So that's the reason why perspiring. So sun is hot today a bit, and I have backlight, so I'm using sort of what do we call gadgets to give me some light. Clear. So even though in daylight I have to use artificial light. Dry weather may that is the reason why I'm perspiring, I'm sweating. That the dry weather may continue and the sunshine hot and bright. She wants the sun shining hot and bright. Why is that? So that the bricks might be dried. They are making bricks and tile, things like that. Yeah, bricks might be dried. Tile maker is usually not only tile, but he makes bricks even. I mean, everything comes from the ground. That is, he has to use what do we call clay soil. Using clay soil, he makes bricks and tiles. Oh, the tile maker. So that the bricks might be dried. He said to her, oh, that girl needs rainy weather to be rainy. This girl needs weather to be sort of dry with hot sun. He said to the younger daughter, if your sister wishes for rain, first conditional clause, if your sister wishes for rain and you for dry weather, if your sister wishes for rain and you for dry weather, with which of you, this girl or that girl, with which of the two I am to join my wishes? I am to join my wishes. So, if I happen to wish something, what should that be? Dry weather or rainy weather? I don't understand. It's puzzling. So here you can notice one very important thing. So that is the reason why when I did conditional clauses, the introduction, I said that it is misleading, and Oxford Dictionary of Grammar says conditional clauses are misleading if you happen to place conditional clauses into 3 or 4 patterns. So one nice example is here. If your sister wishes for rain, that is simple present tense for the if clause, and then the other one, people say that you have to use generally will, but here he has used again simple present tense. Yeah. With which of the two Am I to join my wishes? I am. Am I to join my wishes? That is the thing. So here, what we can learn from this story is when we think about things around us, maybe we would see that they are as bad things. But for some other people, that will be really good. Yeah. Say, for example, just think about coconut. And when you go to buy a coconut, if the price is too high, price is going up, you would not like that. You would say it's a bad. Price is going up, that's bad. But the seller and the planter, who cultivates coconut, it would be a good thing. Maybe it is not good thing as a, um, basically the number of coconuts produced is really, really lower. However, things when things would be good for some and bad for the other. That is it. So therefore, don't judge things are good or bad. Maybe if you think that something is good, it may be bad someday. And that is it. That is the well. Yeah. Everything has a sort of a comparative value. Okay. I'm going to wind up this. Bye.